I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. Children, today I am going to teach you the question answers of Islamiyat from question number 21 till 25. And the question number 21 is, how many paras in Quran Pak? How many paras in Quran Pak? And the answer is, there are 30 paras in Quran Pak. There are 30 paras in Quran Pak. And the question number 22 is, how many Eids do we celebrate? How many Eids do we celebrate? And the answer is, we celebrate 2 Eids in a year. They are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Children, repeat with me. We celebrate 2 Eids in a year. They are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Question number 23 is, in which month do we celebrate Eid al-Fitr? In which month do we celebrate Eid al-Fitr? And the answer is, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal. We celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal. The question number 24 is, when do we celebrate Eid al-Azha? When do we celebrate Eid al-Azha? And the answer is, we celebrate Eid al-Azha after Hajj. We celebrate Eid al-Azha after Hajj. And the last question is, in which month do we celebrate Eid al-Azha? In which month do we celebrate Eid al-Azha? We celebrate Eid al-Azha in the month of Zul-Hajj. We celebrate Eid al-Azha in the month of Zul-Hajj. Children, your home assignment is learn from question number 21 till 25. I hope children you will learn these questions at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.